Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. This is grade 3 science class. So we have completed our summative assessment exam. And for that, we have taken 8 blocks from our portion. So we have completed 16 blocks in our portion. In that, we have learned 8 blocks for summative assessment 1. So the remaining blocks we are going to revise for summative assessment 2, children. So what are the remaining blocks? Block 14, 15, block 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 25. So these are the blocks we are going to revise for SA2 revision. So in that, now today we will revise block 14. So what did we learn in block 14? Diversity in food we eat. So the different kinds of foods which are popular in different regions, different parts of India, and even the different kinds of food eaten by different kinds of people in a family, and even the amount of food eaten by each member of the family. So in that way we have learned diversity in food we eat. Now we'll revise the answers which are very important in this block, children. Now let us open the reader. Open your readers, children. Diversity in food we eat. First, read the lesson thoroughly. Food eaten in different parts of India, food eaten in different countries, and kinds of food eaten in a family, amount of food eaten by different people. Read the lesson and see the practice questions. So we have 8 questions in practice questions. In that you are going to learn 6th and 7th one. From practice questions you are going to write in your revision part 6th and 7th one. So why do babies and old people like to eat soft foods? So why do babies and old people like to eat soft foods? So babies and some old people may not have teeth. They eat foods that are soft. And why do adults eat more food than children? Because they do more physical activity. So they require more energy. So they eat more food than children. So already you have written answers in your classwork. So write this 6th and 7th one in your revision part, children. Write one time. Keep essay 2 revision. Fold the paper. Write essay 2 revision. And block 14. Write 6th one, 7th one from practice questions. And you also should practice the other questions, children. So you may get different popular food items and they may ask you in which region it is very popular. So you should be able to answer. So if you read this also, you can easily answer that. Now we'll see the workbook. Open your workbook, children. CS1, foods across India. So in this way you may get different food item pictures and you should identify which part of India it is popular. You should write the region. And you should learn second one. But don't write any question from S1, children. In this way you may get different food items and you should write which country it is popular. That country name you should write. And second one, write down some food items that are eaten in Italy, in Greece, England and in China. Are the food items the same or are there any different? And see the third one, pastries and cakes are popular all across India. How did they become popular? So by television, magazines and films are the major reason. Rising international travel is also another reason. So write this third one in your classwork, children, revision part. From practice questions you are writing 2 questions and this third one. Now see, S3 kinds of food in a family. So you should identify which foods are preferred by old people. And why can adults like your parents eat a larger variety of foods than older people like your grandparents? So from practice questions we are writing this. If you learn there, you can write the same answer here. So adult like our parents doing more works, so they digest a large variety of food items and strong, they eat also. Grandparents have no teeth, so they eat only soft food and soups. Now see the third one. Who would need to eat more energy rich foods like ghee, milk and nuts? A labor or an office worker? Third answer you should write, children. This third one you are going to write in your revision part. The labor would need more energy. He does a lot of physical work, so he need rich food. So this third one you write it in your revision part. S for diversity in the amount of food. So practice all this, children. Now see the second one. Will you eat the same amount of food 20 years from now? How will the amount of food changes? So I would eat more food in 20 years time as I would have grown bigger. So you have to write second one also in your revision part. And imagine you have invited two of your Nepali friends for a meal. They like to eat vegetables, pulses, meat curry and curd. How much food would you prepare for them? My friends would eat about the same amount of food how you eat. So you would prepare a little extra. So from S4 you are going to write second one. S3 you are going to write third one. And from S2 you are going to write third one. So from S1 you are going to not write anything. So write these 5 questions, children. From practice questions you are going to write 6th and 7th one. So 5 questions you are going to write one time in your revision part. Write today's date and write one time, learn all the answers, practice the pictures and complete your works, children.